Hey there, extraordinary treasures. Every once in a while, it's a really good idea to check your local offering envelope in Adventist giving. Maybe you need to add a new offering, or maybe there's one that should be retired, or maybe it's never been filled out properly using the correct jewel codes, and you want to change that. This is how to do it. Log into your Adventist giving account, and on this page, click Manage Offering Categories. This will take you to the page where you can manage the local church offering choices you have given your donors. If you want to see what your donors see when they click on your church name in Adventist Giving, click on Show Preview. They see the part that is outlined here in red. There can be up to 10 different choices on this envelope, and if there are more choices than 10, they must click on More Offering Categories to see them. If you added a description to the account when you entered it, this box will display it. So let me give you some guidelines on setting up your accounts. This box should only contain local offerings, no tithe, no conference ministries, or ADRA. Those options are available to your donors in other sections of Adventist giving. This one is for local church offerings only. Only local funds that exist already in Jewel should be entered here, preferably with the same name. You'll be mapping these accounts directly to your Jewel local accounts, so they should be the same. No abbreviations, please. Anyone from anywhere can look at your envelope and donate to your church. Just because your board knows what CSIP means doesn't mean that anyone else will. Make it plain. And a short description can add to the clarity as well. The code box should contain the exact Jewel account code that matches this account. This will make mapping easier and more accurate. Only donation payments should be made through Adventist giving. Pathfinder dues, transfers of funds from one church to another, rental payments, or school tuition payments should never be made here. Next, let's look at how to set up new accounts or edit existing ones. To add a new offering, click on Add Category. A new box will appear where you will enter the name of the fund, the local code, find it in Jewel before you come here to set it up, and a description that will be visible to your donors if you wish. Once you have entered everything, click on Save Category. To edit an offering option, find and click on its little pencil icon at the right end of the line. The Edit Offering Category box will open, and you can change anything in it, including adding the local code if it has not already been entered or if it needs to be corrected. But don't change the name to something entirely different. If you need a new account, start from scratch and create it. Once you're done editing, click on Save Category to leave. There are a few other things you can do on this page. You can actually rearrange the order of your offering choices by dragging and dropping them. You can inactivate offerings by clicking on their Active button. If you need to reactivate it, click on All so that the inactive account shows up, and click on the Active button to bring it back again. The featured accounts are the 10 accounts that show up on your main envelope. Since only 10 can fit on the front of the envelope, choose carefully which ones to display. The rest will be there, but won't be as readily available. The pencil icons are the edit buttons. The X's on the far right side are the delete buttons. However, just as in Jewel, once someone has donated to an offering account, it can no longer be deleted. If the X is dark, no donations have been made. So if you wish, you can click on that, which will delete that particular offering account. But once someone has donated, the X turns gray. And if you want to move it from your visible offering choices, you have to click on the Active button, at which point it becomes invisible to your donors. After you're all finished with your edits or entries, you must scroll down and click on Commit Changes. If you don't take this step, everything will be lost. Ask me how I know. In fact, it's happened to me several times, and I now commit changes at intervals through the process just to make sure I don't lose my work again. Having the correct code numbers entered here will make mapping much easier. And keeping your local envelope choices clear and clean will make your donors happy. And me too, but that's beside the point. Clarity, accuracy, and simplicity are always worth the effort.